Do you find your equipment sitting idle between projects? Have you tried or thought about hiring out only to find the required effort and time exceed the benefits? What if someone does it for you, allowing you to focus on your own business? HeavySense is an online marketplace where you can list your equipment for hire during idle periods and have it returned safely with significant revenue. We bring you the right hirers by allocating your equipment unique pages that are beautifully designed, indexed and marketed by digital experts. Our proven algorithms make sure your pricing and hire success is always at its optimum. You can offer your hirers cover for damage, loss and theft with one single click. We take care of all payments, deposits and invoices for you. Hirers receive the best quotes from the most reliable transport businesses. Our third-party channels can fix breakdowns quickly with lower rates. Need equipment yourself? You can hire it from other owners like you at competitive rates with the same convenience.